Floating candle orchid bowl. You'll need a clear glass bowl, floating candles, faux white orchids, water beads, or clear gems. Start by adding the water beads or gems into the bowl for texture and sparkle. Fill with water, place the orchid blooms gently inside, then add the floating candles. The candlelight reflecting on the water creates a beautiful warmth that instantly makes the table feel intimate and serene. Bonus idea: roses or carnations are a more budget-friendly option than orchids and still create a soft, romantic look. Average cost ranges from as little as $15 to $25. This centerpiece creates an instant sense of calm and elegance. Lemons and baby's breath. You'll need lemons, baby's breath flowers, clear jars or vases, ribbon or twine. Layer sliced lemons around the inside of the vase, then place the flowers in the center with water. Add ribbon for a soft finishing touch. Lemons last long and are versatile. The bright citrus paired with delicate florals brings light and energy into the room while still feeling simple and inviting. Average cost ranges $10 to $18, perfect for spring gatherings, brunches, or Mother's Day tables. Dollar store mirror glam. You'll need small mirrors, candles, acrylic gems, metallic tray. Place mirrors beneath the candles to reflect the light, then scatter gems lightly around the tray for sparkle. Bonus idea: battery-operated candles are safer and often cheaper for larger events. Average cost ranges $12 to $20. The reflections make everything feel elevated and special. Pampas grass. You'll need pampas grass-dried flowers, tall vase. Start with the tallest stems first, then fill the arrangement with softer dried florals to create fullness. Bonus idea: tall dried branches from outside sprayed in matte white or gold can fill space beautifully for almost no cost. Nature occasionally contributes. Average cost ranges $15 to $30. It brings a sense of calm into the room and works beautifully for cozy gatherings. Cherry blossom drama. You'll need faux cherry blossom branches, tall vase, decorative pebbles. Fill the base with pebbles to hold the branches securely, then gently shape the stems outward for a more natural look. The blossoms draw the eye upward and make the entire table feel lighter, brighter, and more graceful. Average cost ranges $18 to $35. This centerpiece instantly makes a room feel elegant and romantic. Lantern and moss forest. You'll need faux moss lanterns, twigs or branches, fairy lights. Layer the moss down the center first, place lanterns throughout, then weave in fairy lights and branches for softness and texture. Average cost ranges $15 to $28. Bonus idea: pine branches or greenery from your backyard can replace store-bought fillers and make it feel even more organic. Golden flower hoop. You'll need gold hoop, faux flowers, ribbon, or zip ties, hanging crystals. Attach flowers to one side of the hoop to create an airy asymmetrical shape, then add a few crystals for movement and light. This centerpiece feels modern, elegant, and artistic while still keeping the table soft and welcoming. Average cost ranges $20 to $40. Simple elegance. These centerpieces aren't really about spending more. They're about creating a feeling. A warm table invites people to slow down, stay longer, talk a little deeper, and feel connected.